Good day. Welcome to another series of Chemistry Just Got Easier with the Our Tutors. In today's class, we are going to be solving more example on empirical and molecular formula. Let's consider the question we have on the board. Calculate the empirical formula of an organic compound containing 81.8% carbon and 18.2% hydrogen only. So let's try to solve this question together. So carbon is as carbon and hydrogen. 81.8% carbon, 18.2% hydrogen. Now we are going to be considering these percentages as their masses, so 81.8 and 18.2. The next step, as we have learned in the previous class, is to convert them to their moles. And how do we do that? We do that by dividing each mass by their relative atomic mass. So the relative atomic mass of carbon is 12. So 81.8 divided by 12 gives 6.82 when you input it into the calculator. And 18.2 divided by the relative atomic mass of hydrogen. The relative atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So you have 18.2. Now the next step is to divide through by the smallest mole, 6.82 and 80.2. Of course, we know 6.82 is the smallest. So we have 6.82, 6.82. I'm going to write carbon and hydrogen consummation. 6.82 divided by 6.82 gives 1. 82.2 divided by 6.82 gives 2.60. But in empirical formula, we all know we cannot have a decimal. So let's try to change this 2.67 to a fraction. So I still have 1. Changing this to a fraction, you have 8 divided by 3. I still can't leave a fraction in my empirical formula. So how do I make it to become an whole number? Multiply through by the denominator of this. That will be times 3 times 3. So 1 times 3 gives 3. 3 times 3, 3. Yeah, 3 divided by 3. That is the calculus. We are left with just what? 8. So you have C3H8. And this compound is known as propane. So we have been able to calculate the empirical formula of this organic compound. And we know that it is propane. Thank you for listening. Book the How Tutors for your personalized online chemistry, mathematics, and biology classes at an affordable price. Follow the How Tutors for daily chemistry and mathematics content. Follow, like, and share. Bye. See you next time.